Welcome to Toys&Girls! Today we are doing the slime switch up challenge!
This is gonna be so fun and so epic.
We have never done a challenge like this before, you guys, so we are super excited to do this.
Well, we have done a challenge like this, but like we're doing it in a totally different way. This is gonna be really fun. Also, we have chosen our Daiso winners, so if you see your name scrolling down below, we will be contacting you. If you didn't win, please don't be sad. There were tens of thousands of entries.
But you guys saw how much Daiso clay we have, so you know that we will be doing more towards Christmas.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalie.
I'm Julia. And I'm Rachel. They're fraternal twins, and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things, and you might get a shout out at the end.
Let's get started!
We will have 6 rounds.
4 glue and 2 glitter.
In each round, there will be 1 clear option and 2 colored. So if you get the color, you get a point. But because it's a switch up, we are gonna add a twist to it. We're gonna be trying to trick each other to either taking ours or not taking ours if we get a good color.
So that sounds like it's gonna be a lot of fun.
I wanted to do one of these for so long.
Yeah, we are going to have to resort to our trickiest tactics to get each other.
Guys, I do like tons of acting stuff. I think I'm gonna be able to trick them.
I think you're not gonna be able to.
Because there are 3 of us, the person who is trying to trick will basically have to be tricking both of us at the same time. Both of their opponents. Both of their opponents, yeah. If both opponents want the item, they would have to play rock, paper, scissors, and if one wants one and one doesn't, the one who wants one gets it, so. And then the other one just gets the one in front of them, or the one that's the other, I don't know, let's just do it.
Rock, paper, scissors to see who tricks first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No! Yay! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rachel will be second to last. Mother, bring on the boxes. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you waited for.
Here are the boxes. We're each gonna choose one, and I'm gonna get to look inside.
Without further ado. Ah, come on. I'm so nervous. Guys, I can't see, I swear.
Okay, I'm ready. This box is amazing.
I think I want it. I don't want it. I want it.
No, I want it.
I want it.
I want it.
You have to trade. It's not up to you. 3, 2, 1. Yes! I got blue!
Oh, poor Julia.
There, little
But we shouldn't have traded it, at least look. We could have traded.
No. So me and Rachel got a point and Julia didn't. I'm sorry. Let's put these in a bowl, in a slime bowl. Alrighty, let's pour them in. Woohoo! Lucky for me though, that bottle, it's really hard to get the glue out of it, and this one it isn't so hard. So.
Actually, it's not the bottle shape, it's how thick the glue is.
Oh, that's why. Yay! So this is actually really pretty. And I hope we get a really good slime. Okay. And by the way, I think we're doing this with all clear glue. That'll be nice. Alrighty. So that turned out really well. This is new. I get it done fast, and then Rachel and Julia, they win every single drop out. Let's move on to round 2. Now it's my turn to choose box first. I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna go for this.
So I got the little one again.
Alright, cover your eyes. Alrighty, you can look.
Okay.
Okay. I want you guys to take it. I want it. Okay? Wait. Do you want it or not? I don't know! Alright, I'll give it to you. Here. No. Wait, you don't want it? Do you want it? Wait. Okay, you can. Wait, stop, wait. Which? Wait, I'm thinking. Take it. I'm gonna. Here. I'm gonna keep. No. Do you want it? Okay. Yes!
This one seems to be more like the consistency of the activator.
This looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. I love the way mine is. No matter who gets the most points, I think this is gonna be gorgeous. Julie's turn to pick a box, but where are the boxes? Here are the boxes. We are really gonna do them out. Okay. We're gonna get this one.
All right.
Move, everyone, turn away, turn away, turn away. I don't want it. You don't? I don't. I don't want it. This. Then because I love you, I will take it. Ready, go. Purple!
Got pink. Oh,
I'm sorry, Julie. I feel really bad. I'm so sorry.
man.
Just so you know, I don't know if purple would have gone really good with gold.
But I got pink.
Actually, what if yours turns copper? That'd be really pretty.
I got pink.
It
can't turn copper if it's just white.
No, it can turn copper if you get.
Lighter, because it will go lighter.
If you get brown, it'll turn copper.
Whoa, look at that. Guys, it looks so crazy. Ah! I dropped it, guys. I dropped it in there. All right, it is round 4, and Rachel gets to choose her box.
Okay. I'm taking this one this time.
Okay, I guess I'm going with this one. Oh, you ready?
Avoid the glue sponge. Okay.
All right, let's cover our eyes for Rachel.
All right, go hide.
Hide. Yeah, go hide your face, okay?
Okay.
Can I look?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm really happy about this pick. It's awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
So, how much do you love it?
Enough to keep it.
I want mine. I'm keeping.
Okay.
Yes! Yes! No! Dang it! This is so close. Oh, I totally thought. Oh, she traded.
Oh man.
I totally thought that she. Okay. Oh, I want that one. Okay. Let's put them in. Wait. It's a waterfall that's really bad. Turn green. Look at that. Turn green. I love these slimes. They're gonna turn out so cool. Mine looks so
Here's
interesting.
mine.
Look how cool this looks. It looks so crazy.
That's really cool.
Okay, guys, it's my turn to trick them, and I choose. Oh gosh, this box. Okay, no, this one. That one. All right. You guys get to cover your eyes. Alrighty. So, I really love this. I don't want you to take it. I'm gonna. Please don't take it. I really want it. Really badly. I keep. Do you want it? Do you want to keep or take?
I think I'll keep.
Okay.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh, Julia!
I'm sorry, Julia. At least you already got 2 glitters. You already got 2 glitters, though. She made mistakes,
crashed and burned,
so many chances.
no time to learn.
Wait, you gotta get back. Yeah.
She's stuck.
Now, me and Rachel are gonna add her glitter. Julia, you just add some
But guys,
imaginary unicorn.
the unicorn poop curse.
This, guys, this looks so pretty.
I have The unicorn poop
I
cream.
have a paw print. By the way, guys, if you didn't notice, I didn't get anything.
Yeah, she just had the cheap glitter too.
Wait.
There might be a couple of specks of glitter in there. There's like one.
We have one more round. All right, guys, we have one more round, and my mom's gonna set that up. Julia, you get to trick us. Oh gosh, it's scary.
Ready? Pick.
Joel, you can pick yours.
Julia, pick.
Okay, now I'm gonna stick it on the middle finger. Ready?
Stop.
All right, just
Acknowledge.
Alright, Julia, look in yours and then you turn around. Shush. Turn. Ready? Yes. Okay. I don't want this. I really don't want it. Take it, please. Take it. Take it.
like
I
you
don't
so
want
want
it.
it, though.
I don't want it. Just take it. Take it. Take it.
You look
please.
like you so want it.
I don't want it. Take it. I think I want to keep it.
I know, because I know she wants
Please
it.
take it.
I know she wants it.
Please.
She really
I don't want it.
Nope. All right. Pull up.
Oh, what?
Oh yes! Look how purple glitter.
Pink.
Julia.
You made it look like you wanted it. But here's a bonus for Julia. She gets glitter tube finger.
And I got unicorn
Wait,
colors.
I got unicorn poop colors too. I already have purple in here. Wait, and I just got pink glitter, and I had blue.
Next, we should do an anti-unicorn poop curse challenge where we have no unicorn poop colors.
See. So no blue, no pink, no purple.
It's a galacticon.
So guys, you can mix this on with your fingers now. Guys, mine looks so cool. How gorgeous are these? Time to mix. Okay guys, first we need our spoons.
Hey, look.
I can't get it off. Guys, can't get it off. Let me try. No. Okay guys, now we are going to mix up our slimes. Whoa, it's turning cool. Is that like a green, like with the gold? Joel, yours is so cool. It reminds me of like the jungle. Ready? Like a jungle temple game. Guys, look at the glitter. Oh my gosh, it's actually turning silver. Oh, this looks so pretty though. Does this remind anybody of the Temple Run game, like the temple? We're activating right now. Yay! Oh, it's already coming across. Guys, all of our slimes turned out beautiful. Like, I don't think that there's a loser here. I don't think there's a winner either. Okay, I'm gonna put my hands on it. I'm just gonna keep one hand out just in case. I always do that. I almost never do that, so it's turning green. I keep now, since I sang the Made Mistakes song, I can't get it out of my head. I made mistakes, crash and burn, the chances, no time to learn. You sound like Shakira right now. Whenever, we'll always be together. Maybe we'll be here, and that's the way we do. Get on my knees. Whenever, we'll be together. I'll be there, you'll be here, and that's the way we do. I don't really know the words. Shakira, the gazelle.
For some reason, I get Shakira confused with Tori Kelly.
Here, finished slides. I was about to say creations.
Oh my god.
That was all. Here, finished creation. Here's our finished creation. We always used to scream that. We were like, here, finished creation. Here, finished creation. And everybody was like,
Guys, could you not yell?
and we would be like, I think it's my eardrums. No, we would be like, welcome to Crafty Girls. And then we would always get the comment, stop yelling.
I got this comment on one video, I can't remember which one it was, where I was whistling and the girl said, I think she said, LOL, anybody who's wearing headphones or earbuds is going to get their eardrums blasted out. LOL, it was funny.
LOL.
I was like,
LOL.
yeah, that's kind of true though, because you guys are like, ouch.
Really loud. Anyways. I love my son so much. Whoa, la, la. Yours is so like soft.
My slime, it's not actually stiff, you guys. It's really weird because it's like fragile.
Like jello-y kind of?
Yeah, it's just fragile. Like it doesn't want to stretch out. Or it will stretch out, but it's like it's snapping on the inside. It's weird.
Oh yeah, I see that. Like it does that with mine a little bit. I don't know if it's like the glues, but like it gets like all. Oh, now it's not.
You can hear it, re-listen.
You can hear all the little things breaking.
Yeah, hear that? Ooh, that looks really pretty, Julia. Thank you.
These turned out so pretty, all of them. Annalise's is like a really pretty purpley, bluey, silver color. It's like a mountain blue,
And
actually.
Rachel and Julia's with the gold and the so pretty.
But it kind of lost its temple run effect, so it's still pretty, but I love hers. Okay, guys, this was so much fun, and all of our slimes turned out really pretty. I think we need a little bit more practice tricking each other. So if you guys want to see us do this again, tell us in the comments down below. And now it is time for shout-outs. Annika Wooden, Kaylee Wood,
Annika Hunter,
Emma Rodriguez, Ashlyn Hildebrandt,
Avery Goins,
Ginger Slimes, Cutie Patootie.
and Charlotte Brummel.
Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
We love you guys so much. Bye.